there, this is Emmy. You're on Zen with Emmy on YouTube. I'm so glad you're here. We're working on the Inktober challenge, and you and I are both working to set some new habits of drawing more frequently and maybe even every day if you're like me. I'm having a lot of fun getting this ready for you, and so I hope you're having a lot of fun doing it. So I'm a retired teacher as well as a CZT, and I'm just delighted that you're here. If you want to look up Inktober Tangles 2024, Stephanie Jennifer is the lady that is our hero. She's the one that creates this list every year and has been since 2017 for a good long time. So if you haven't already, I hope you have your creativity notebook handy. And we are going to create a new pattern. We're working on number 6 today, S.bahn. It's by Midori Furuhashi, and it's just a very fun pattern. It is a little complicated, but you're going to be kind of surprised at yourself when you get it done. You just take your time, you go one step at a time, and if you like Celtic patterns, this is your thing. Work with pen or pencil, your choice, and let's get started. So I'm going to show you the easiest way that I can. What I'd like you to do is put a stick and aura the stick. Skip a little space here. Do a stick and another stick. Going to do the same thing this direction. A stick and another. All of these should be about the same size. And here we go again. A stick and a stick. And now we've got our outline. The next thing we're going to do is I'm going to go around here with a small C. Kind of look at what I'm going to do here. Just like that. I'm going to leave this open here. I'm going to go around this one too, just like that, and close that off. I'm going to start over here and do the same thing, and then I have to bring that up a little bit. And you see I've got openings on all 4 sides. Let's do it again. Just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next thing we're going to do is I'm going to make a circle all the way around. And a second circle. We're going to clean this up in just a minute, so just work on your circle for now, one thing at a time. So that looks kind of weird, I suppose, to you. Now look at what we're going to do. We got this comma here. I'm going to take it up like that, just to meet the circle. Do it again here and here. The next thing I'm going to do is the same thing down here and on either side of this one. And the next step is I'm going to, like I'm going underneath, and I'm going to come around here on the outside and connect like that. I'm going to do it on all 4 sides. So you see I'm going underneath, like the line went underneath, up, and right there. It always is a good idea to keep your work in front of you, especially when you're doing challenging things. Coming out, going underneath, and like that. Do it again on this side here, out and back, out and back, and the same thing here, out and connect, and the last one. Out and connect with that center one, out and connect. Okay, well, you might say I kind of get this, but it doesn't look like I want it to yet. All right, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to come along and connect on each of these 4 sides here. So I'm going to come along like this and kind of dig in there, but I don't touch down, connect to there. Do it again. Out, connect. Stop my pen right there. Do it again. Out. Connect right there. Dig. And connect. How cool is this? Do you get it? You did this. We did this. So let's get another line around the whole thing, an aura line. And I would like to join these together here. How fun is this? It's a Celtic drawing that you did. Isn't that the best? Okay, so we're going to try this again. Now, what I'd really like to do is alternate with some sticks in between like this. Kind of a checkered pattern. And complete the thought of the Celtic design. I hope you gave it a chance. It really, when you get going on it, is not that hard. And if you would like, it's fun to put another one around the outside as well, like this, like connecting these here. This is my practice book. I'm not going to spend a ton of time on shading and things like that in my practice book. You should do this the way you choose, though. This is your book and your practice and your time with me together. If there's something you don't know how to get to do, please text me or email me or send me a message, because I would sure love to. If you have a question, you can pretty much know 10 other people have that question too, and you'll be helping everybody out. So just take it to heart. Isn't that pretty? And I'm just kind of roughing it in. You can tell I'm not just paying a lot of attention to my details. I'm not even sure I'll do this on the final one. So we'll get a little shading on here just so that you can get the hang of it. So I want to leave these sticks unshaded. So I'm going to put shading like this around the outside of that wheel. And put it here too. I'm leaving the sticks open, the 4 sides of the sticks. I'm going to put a little shading here. Very fun. And I would really like to have a little shading in here too. Get our smudger going. Start back at the beginning where I was. That's the hole right there, so it needs shading. Very pretty. So there's other things you can do with this, but let's take a minute and get to our booklet, page 6. And we are ready for S.bahn. So begin like we did before with 4 sticks. Don't have to work too small on this. In fact, you can work as large as you'd like. Okay, since we've got that, now the next thing we're going to do is close those off with a C. Just like that. The next thing we're going to do is come around the outside with a largish circle or orb, whatever you'd like to call it, and then a second one. And fret not if your sticks aren't long enough, just extend them like I had to here. Hard to know when you're working on this. Next thing I want to do is with these commas that I have, I want to close them off like this. Close off your comma right up to the orb or circle. Just like that. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to have to extend these just a bit. And I'm going to take this, just an eyeball of how that would go. Do you see how that would go normally? Bring it around and touch down. Bring it around, touch down. Do it again. Bring it around, touch down. And again. Touch down. And the last one. Can you get the hang of it already? The next thing we're going to do to make this whole thing happen is we're going to go, remember, we're going to touch down on these 4 areas here. So I made a dot to remind myself, because here you're not going to touch down. You're just going to go round and around. Nice. Let's do it again. Yes. Now, if you'd like, you can add that treatment we talked about. Maybe you'd even like to add on to the next one. Well, I hope you are having fun with your drawing habits. I know I am. I'm having fun thinking that you are too. So I hope you are. Hope you're enjoying the videos. And at some point, please give me a like or let me know that you like them so that I can know that I'm on the right track. Let's get some shading on. Grab your pencil. I would like to put some on here, but I don't want to shade that original. Remember when I made this X? I don't want to shade that because that would be weird. But I do want to do on the outside of this cute little circle that I've got going on here. And then I want to do here too. There you go. And let's get some shading on here. I've got plenty on my blender stump already. I'm not worried about that at all. Ta-da! Is this cute or what? I hope you like it as much as I did. And if you have a chance, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. I'm Emmy, and you're on Zen with Emmy. So join some like-minded folks. Come on over to the Facebook site. See ya.